We are pleased to show you the 2024 Highlander. The Highlander is the SUV that's thought of everything. The Highlander offers seating for up to 7 and features Toyota's innovative center stow design. The second row bench seat folds away, leaving a pair of captain's chairs. A 2010 top safety pick, the Highlander is where substance meets style. This vehicle has less than 15,000 miles. Here are some of this vehicle's great options: navigation system, traction control, power passenger seat, power lift gate, dual airbags, leather-wrapped steering wheel, air conditioning, power steering, alloy wheels, cruise control. This beauty is sure to make you the talk of the neighborhood. So call or drop in for a test drive today.